Good evening traders, welcome to 200forexpips.com. In this video I'm again going to talk about the swing trading. Okay guys, first of all, if you remember, then I have talked about the swing trading yesterday on USD Canadian dollar, and the lowest peak that we have made yesterday was this. And I have told you in the yesterday video, when I have given the swing trade video, then I have provided you one thing, that I am expecting the upward momentum, and this upward momentum can come tomorrow, in the 2 days, into 3 days. I have talked about this thing. Now I'm going to attach the Fibonacci indicator, so that I have also explained you as per my trading system too. And let's attach the Fibonacci first. So basically it was here when I have placed the when I have made the video. I have also talked about the inverted hammer that appeared on our chart, and after that you can see that we have a strong upward trend on USD Canadian dollar. So our first target was 23.6%, and after that 23.6% was braked again during the mid session of the day, and then it tested the 38.2 level, and then it went up straight up, and now it also crosses 50%. So guys, now if you look at here, then it looks overall, if you look at the trend pattern, the trend pattern is down on USD Canadian dollar. So hopefully it is just going to test a 61.8% level, and maybe we can expect the drop after that time. Or maybe it's if it breaks the 61.8 level, then guys it will be dangerous, because it can test up to the 100% level over here. Now attach the 200 Forex Pips system, so that we can understand this as per our system. So what our system is telling us at the moment. So let me put the main indicator. Okay, now look, the main indicator. So if you look at the Pips Hunter, then the market has entered into the blue boundary, which is the start of the overbought levels. And if you look at the 4-hour chart, then it must be at the lower side. It is closes above the 50% level. So on the 4-hour chart, it says that it is closed above the 50. It is still not closed, but let's say if it closed above 50% level, then still the chances will be into the upward direction, because the 4-hour chart is more reliable than the 1-hour chart. But overall, I am not expecting a further very much upward trend as per my experience. I hope that it will get a drop again, but not sure. Maybe it will get a drop tomorrow. But overall, the swing that I have talked about in the yesterday video has already occurred, and I congratulate all those traders who have taken the trades as per my trading suggestions. So overall guys, whenever I talk about the swing trading, just make sure that you should use the low lot size. Okay, now another thing that I am just looking at, Great Britain pound AUD. Okay, so guys, first of all, the first scenario that we are going to see here is this. If you look at the chart, then you can clearly see that the market has moved so much high on Great Britain pound AUD. Okay, so that's where we can hunt that whenever we see that the market has moved up. Now first of all, we are going to attach Fibonacci. Okay, now look at here what happened today on Fibonacci. The highest point that the market made today was 1.84478 on Great Britain pound AUD, and after that it started making the bearish pattern. Okay, and we have strong upward momentum before that time. So one thing that's giving us a signal that maybe this could be the downward swing. So let's test the 4-hour chart, and again if you look at the 4-hour chart, then still you can see that 0% level is already achieved, which means that we can expect the downward move, that the same way that I have talked about USD Canadian dollar yesterday. So I am expecting the downward move on Great Britain pound AUD. And guys, just make sure that if you want to trade it at your own risk, then make sure that you should use a low lot size. So I am expecting that it will get the drop soon. It will not sustain very much for a higher time for a higher time level at this level. So maybe the drop can occur anytime during the night, or maybe within the few hours. And if it keep on sustaining this level, then the drop can also take 2 to 3 days. It depends that whenever you are going to use the swing trading, then your lot size should be lower, and then you give the proper time to your trades, because sometimes I have seen that whenever I do the swing trading on my personal account, then also it takes 7 days, 8 days. But normally you should have a patience, because if you just want to collect profits within no time, then this is not the strategy. You should wait and get the profits with patience, because as we explained in USD Canadian dollar, it took one day to reach to 61.8% level almost, but it was a lucky enough day because the volatility was high on USD Canadian dollar. But let's see that how volatility goes on Great Britain Pound AUD. So my signal for Great Britain Pound AUD is definitely bearish, and I'm looking for a bearish trend. So guys, if you want to trade it on your risk, then you can definitely trade it. Okay, moreover guys, if you are looking to subscribe to my daily forex signal service, if you want to join my telegram premium group channel, if you want to improve your trading technique through my video lessons, or you want to request for Skype one-to-one live coaching, for all this please send your inquiries on info@200forexpips.com. Please like my video, subscribe my YouTube channel, and share the analysis with other traders. Thank you for watching the video. Have a great day. Bye.